This is the Awoco RH-UC6-V series range hood. Four ways to control: voice control, gesture control, touch control, and remote control.
Hi, Awoco. Hi, I am here. Speed 2. Okay, speed 2. Light on. Okay, light on.
Remote control. Gesture control by swiping your hand. Big colorful touch control. Super powerful dual motors 900 CFM max. Quiet performance as low as 64 dB. Three vent adapters are all included. Dimmable LED lights. Stainless steel baffle filters. Dishwasher safe.